I just got the most amazing results cleaning my oven rags with no effort at all. This is life-changing. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and on this channel you will find simple, practical, and non-toxic tips for your home. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out. I absolutely dread cleaning ovens and oven rags. The grease and grime that gets stuck on there does not want to come off without a major scrubbing effort. But today I'm showing you an easy and hassle-free way that is going to practically eliminate your scrubbing time. So let's go get cleaning. I have not cleaned these rags since I moved into this house 3.5 years ago, and you can see all of the gunk that has accumulated on here. Start by placing an old towel or t-shirt at the bottom of the tub. This is so that your tub doesn't get scratched. The towel or shirt will get permanently stained, so make sure the cloth you choose is okay to use as a rag or that you can throw away after this. Then add your rags and fill your bathtub with the hottest water you can get until the water completely covers the rags. If you do not have a bathtub, you can use a large plastic bin or a plastic bag. Add 1/2 cup of your favorite dish soap or detergent. It can be liquid or powder. Swish it around real good and then let your rack sit in the bubble bath for at least 12 hours. Ideally, I would do a full day if you can. The longer, the better. When you come back, the water will be super dirty. You can see how everything has lifted off the metal. At this point, all you need to do is drain the water and begin wiping off the remaining residue with a sponge. It should come off easily if you have let the rack sit long enough. The bubble bath did all the work for you in loosening up that gunk. And there you have it. I am so happy with the result. The whole scrubbing process took me 10 minutes. Absolutely amazing. Leave me a comment below if you tried out this method. I would love to know how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.